Hey guys, what is up? I did not film at all this morning because I was a little bit rushed and I didn't film at all at school because there was a whole bunch of stuff going on. But I am filming right now and I'm actually waiting for a package, a new modification for the car. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is just yet. You'll see when it gets here. First things first, super windy and I know it's going to be cold and it's probably going to dry up, but I'm going to try washing the truck and I'll show you guys. It's not too muddy, it's just like I said, it's just where the tires threw it up. So I'll show you guys right now what the truck looks like when I get outside. See you guys there. Okay guys, package is finally here. I ain't doing this outside because it's dark and they took forever, but I got it. So I'm gonna use my colorful knife real quick to open up. Oh, see first. I can just tear it open. Yeah. Never mind, we'll use the knife. So, I might have to. This is the new mod for the car. Since my car doesn't have the all new fancy stuff already up here. The rear view reverse camera and 4.3-inch display monitor. That's right. My car's getting a rear view camera. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to install it tonight. And if I do install it tonight, it's probably not going to be recorded. So, I'll read the instructions to install it. And then I'll get back to you guys on that. Okay? Talk to you. Alright, so this is going to be the end of this video since it took so long. I know this is a short video today. Most of y'all are probably like, hallelujah. But I told you guys I'd post regardless. So, everyday things, what I'm trying to do. Even if the package didn't come in, I probably would have still gone back on camera and said something. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow if I don't again tonight. So, see y'all later.